All right, Max. Mark has a surprise for you.
We have a tray of Play-Doh, and Max is gonna open them.
Oh, Max, what is that?
I made it.
How did we make that? What's in there? Let's line them up. Wait, before you take them out. Look at what you've got there. What are they? It's Play-Doh.
Yeah.
All right, which color do you want to open first? The orange one? Okay, what do you think's in there?
Zuma.
Oh, it was Zuma? Cool.
Can I open red? Yeah.
Oh, Mark's gonna open one?
Open the red.
Okay, what's in there?
Oh, look, it's Marshall.
Marshall,
I'm
cool.
gonna open pink.
All right, Max, you gonna open the pink one?
Yep.
Oh, cool. What's in there? It was Sky. I love it.
Yellow. Yep. Rubble is on the devil. I'll open it.
Oh, that was cool. Oh, you want to do green, Max? And Mark wants to do blue. Oh, cool, Mark, you're wearing a blue shirt. And Max is wearing a blue and green shirt. What did you find in there? Oh, wow. You found the whole Paw Patrol in there. That is so cool. What is that? Oh, squish it really hard. What comes out of there? Would you like me to help you? Let's see here.
I'll do this.
Max, look. Oh, it's coming out. Max, look. Max, look.
I want to make some spaghetti.
You want to make some spaghetti? All right, here you go, Mark. What did you make? Oh, cool.
What did this do here?
Hey, Marshall, can you make me a chair to sit in, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
This turn.
Oh, that would be great.
What's this? Whoa.
Oh, I'd love to make you a chair, Marshall.
Yeah. Can you make me a chair?
Yes.
Wow. I'm doing it very, very cool. I made it very, very cool.
Ooh, cool.
Rubble fell out of his chair. Yeah. That's so silly. Oh, thank you for putting me back in, Marshall. Rubble on the double. This is my bed. This is my bed. This is my daddy. I do it.
Guys, help! I'm stuck on top of a snowman. A colorful snowman. Can somebody help me? Can somebody help me? Marshall, I need your help. Marshall, I need you to rescue me. Marshall, please help me. Oh, thank you so much.
I'm making a house up here. Help me.
Marshall, I hit some of your friends in here again. Who do you think's in there? Are you gonna open it and find out? I've got an orange one and a blue one. There's a Paw Patroller in each one. Who do you think's in there?
I'll open it. No, Elmo! Hey, can I open this one?
No.
No. Not yet.
I think that one is Zuma. Zuma, I was right.
Was Zuma in there?
Look at Patricia.
I made a couch for Chase.
I did, Chase.
No, I made a couch for him. And he just died. Hopefully,
What happened to you in there? Chase is on the case. I'm sitting inside of a pink blanket.
I'm a baby. I'm a little baby.
Max, who do you think is inside those ones?
Hey, Gringo.
Those ones are pretty silly, aren't they?
Yeah.
Marco.
It's Chase.
Is it Chase?
Yeah.
It's like Marshall.
Rocky. Rocky.
Chase.
Oh, Rocky.
See? BB Chase. BB Rocky.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see you open it. What's in there, do you think?
So, as